Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm here now to do the draw because I put up a video last Sunday about my stamp storage, and I found some stickers and things and I put them in two parcels. I'm going to send out to two people. Now on the video itself there is actually 20 comments, but two ladies made 2 comments, and one of them, Christina, doesn't want to be in it because she doesn't do crafting, and the other one was some comment I made, so ended up there was 16. Okay, so I've got 1 to 16 on the generator thing, and I'm going to press the generate thing, and the number is number 3, and I'm going to do another one now while I'm still here and get for the second prize, or the second parcel, will be number 7. Okay, so I won't tell you that. Right, so on this paper here I've written down everybody's name. I need to go back in because I've got this out really wide here. So everybody's name, and number 3 is Joy Rampant, R-A-M-P-A-N-T, Rampton, sorry. And number 7 is this is not showing very good, is it? Is Annette, the Aussie craft lady. So, and here's all the other names that I've actually written down in 2 pages there. So everybody's got their name down there, but these 2 ladies will get a little envelope from me. I can't find this camera for love nor money, Joy. So you will be one of the winners, and Annette, you are the other winner. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.